See, every bodybuilder wants to develop the cuts in the muscle grooves. The example is this area bicep deltoid groove, and if you see here the triceps grooves and even the biceps grooves, every areas that bodybuilder wants to have the cuts in the grooves. But few people, whatever exercise they do, how much our muscle bulk up, the grooves won't be visible. Though the fat percentage comes down a lot, but the grooves won't be visible in few areas. Like when you can develop the groove on your own, better not to go for any surgical procedures. But in his case, what we are going to show today, he developed the muscle a lot and worked out like anything, but the grooves are not much visible. This is a triceps groove, marking, like marks a little invisible, so I'm going to highlight again. So these are deltoid grooves. So now we are trying to create the groove by removing the fat in this area. You can see that fat slowly disappearing in that groove, the triceps groove. So overall also we want to reduce the fat a little bit. So now the grooves, the deltoid groove is nicely visible, even the triceps groove is visible. It's called superficial etching. We remove the superficial fat as well as the deep fat here. Now you can see the biceps and deltoid and the triceps grooves, and I'm creating the anterior aspect of the deltoid, the front deltoid groove also. I'm just trying to remove the fat from the superficial as well as the deep plane, so that the groove will be visible nicely. As I said earlier, it is not for the people who doesn't want to work out. This is for the people who work out and trying to do all kind of dieting and exercise. Now you can see the both the grooves nicely, deltoid, both the front and back grooves, as well as the triceps cuts. It's visible nicely. So the people who work out and diet, but still that grooves are not visible, they're not getting the cuts, then only these kind of surgical procedures might help. So trying to develop, do the biceps grooves now. Both the sides of the biceps, we are developing the groove, removing the fat superficially and deep. I use a power assisted liposuction here. I feel that is more easier and simpler and trouble free in my hands. Initially we inject a lot of fluids first, then only we do the liposuction. The fluid will reduce the bleeding a lot, and then when we do a liposuction, bruising will be very less. Now I develop both the sides biceps grooves. Hope you are getting an idea about the arm sculpting. We remove the fat overall and remove the superficial as well as deep fat in the grooves where we need to have. So this should be our aim in end of the surgery. Hope it is useful to you. Thank you.